5 signs of a faulty strut mount and how to fix it. Sign 1. Knocking or cracking when turning the steering wheel. Early sign of strut mount wear, especially at low speeds or when parking. The noise may be metallic or sound like a sharp click. This usually happens when the strut bearing inside the mount becomes worn or jams. Another frequent cause is a torn or cracked rubber bushing. When the bearing seizes or the rubber deteriorates, the mount can no longer enable smooth rotation, leading to jerky steering and noise. Sign 2. Uneven tire wear. Uneven wear on the inner or outer edges of the tires can indicate worn or damaged strut mounts. A failing strut mount may shift the strut's position, altering wheel alignment, particularly camber or caster angles. Even slight misalignment can reduce proper tire-to-road contact, leading to accelerated, uneven wear. This issue is often accompanied by floaty or imprecise steering, especially when driving straight. Sign 3. Car pulls to one side or feels unstable on the road. If the car pulls to one side or feels unstable at high speeds, the strut mounts could be to blame due to changes in the suspension geometry. This happens because the mount no longer holds the top of the strut firmly in place, affecting alignment and handling stability. Sign 4. Clunks or creaks when driving over bumps. Dull thuds, creaks, or knocks over speed bumps or potholes may indicate a worn or cracked strut mount, often due to the rubber insulator breaking down or detaching from the housing. Damaged rubber allows metal parts to hit each other or transfer impacts to the chassis. This not only reduces the ride comfort, but can also damage other suspension components over time. Sign 5. Visible tilt or play in the strut mount. With the wheel removed, the strut appears to lean or sit off-center inside the strut tower. Try moving the strut by hand. Play at the top means the mount has failed. Dangerous and costly if ignored. An immediate replacement is essential. If you are confident with tools and have the necessary equipment, you can replace the strut mount by yourself. Install the Autodoc app. Save money when buying spare parts. Step 1. Remove the strut assembly. Start by safely lifting and securing the vehicle and removing the wheel. Disconnect any brake hoses or ABS wires attached to the strut. Next, remove the stabilizer link from the strut, followed by the bolts securing it to the steering knuckle. Under the bonnet, loosen and remove the upper nut securing the strut mount to the strut tower. Then carefully remove the entire strut assembly, including the spring, damper, and mount. Step 2. Compress the spring. To remove the strut mount safely, you must compress the coil spring using a proper spring compressor. Warning: the spring is under high tension. Always use the correct tool and follow safety procedures. Once the spring is securely compressed, the load is taken off the mount, allowing safe disassembly. Step 3. Disassemble the strut. Using a special tool, loosen the nut on the strut rod while holding the rod in place. Important: do not use an impact wrench to loosen the nut, as this may damage the shock absorber. Note: inspect the bearing race and rubber. If it's cracked, deformed, or noisy, it's definitely time to replace it. Step 4. Install the new mount. Fit the new strut mount and bearing onto the strut. Tighten the shaft nut to the manufacturer's torque specification. Then, release the spring compressor slowly and evenly, allowing the spring to seat properly against the new mount. Important: double check the alignment and fit of all the parts before proceeding. Step 5. Reinstall the strut. Carefully place the strut back into the strut tower and tighten the upper mounting nut. Reattach the lower part of the strut to the steering knuckles. Reconnect the stabilizer link, brake hose and ABS sensor if applicable. Finally, install the wheel and tighten the lug nuts to the specified torque. Step 6. Get a wheel alignment. Important: after replacing the strut mount, a wheel alignment is required. A proper alignment will restore the suspension characteristics and ensure safe, predictable handling. Thanks for watching. If you've noticed any of these key warning signs of a worn strut mount, let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe.